We are at GoToMath.com working some calculus problems. We are doing some differentiation and looks like we're looking at higher order derivatives. We're in this section right here. It says find y double prime, and we have y is equal to, and in quantity x squared minus 10 all raised to the 7th power. So let's move over to the whiteboard and write this down. Y is equal to x squared minus 10, and it's all raised to the 7th power, making sure. Okay, I noticed something here. Yeah, find y double prime. Okay. So first thing we're going to do is find y prime. So we're going to take the 7, bring it out front, subtract 1 from the exponent, and take the derivative of the inside, what's in parentheses, bring it out, and we're left with 2x. I'm going to go ahead and bring that 2x out front, so that's actually going to be 14x, and we have x squared minus 10, the whole thing raised to the 6th power. Now what we're going to do is do the product rule here, because we've got really two separate, we can consider these to be two separate functions here. So y double prime is equal to, so we take the derivative of the first, which is just 14, rewrite the second, plus, and then we rewrite the first function, 14x, and then take the derivative of this piece here. So take that 6, bring it out front, rewrite what's in parentheses, subtract 1 from the exponent, and take the derivative of what's in the parentheses here and bring it out, which is 2x. And we can clean this up a little bit. So y double prime. Now we can factor and reduce this thing down, and I can't remember if I actually do that or not. 14 2 is 28. Let's do a little side work up here. Times 6, 48, 12, 16. Is that right? I hope so. 168x times x squared minus 10 to the 5th. Now, sometimes actually it's best not to multiply these things together until you were to actually factor it. Let's see what I actually do here. I don't know if I factor this thing. No, I leave it out, but we could pull an x squared minus 10 out of both of these guys. I'm a little concerned with that though. What did I? Oh, that's an x and an x, and that's x squared. Okay. Goodness. Yeah, I mean, we could pull one, you know, we could pull 5 of these out. We could definitely pull 14 out of there, since there's a 14 in this and 14 over here in this term. We could factor out a 14, and if we wanted to, but I don't. Leave that as an exercise. Anyway, there it is. This is the section we're in. We're talking about taking higher derivatives, higher order derivatives, which means, you know, first derivatives, well, second derivative, third derivative, fourth derivative, whatever. For whatever reason, there's a section on down where we're going to actually have to do that, and that's here. You notice it says the second derivative test, where we'll be taking higher derivatives for finding things. Okay, so there it is. You're at GoToMath.com. Come on over and practice your problems, and remember, this button is for video. Oh, one other thing I should add, there is a comment section if you hadn't seen it down there, so say something good, hopefully. Alright, we'll see you around. Bye.